Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to search dividend yielding stocks on Cash App. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. Cash App is like a full service bank account with investing features. So over here you have your wallet. This is kind of where you store your cash balance and you can send money back and forth between your bank. You have the card screen. They will send you a physical card in the mail where you can swipe it and get discounts. The peer-to-peer payment screen and the investing screen. So on investing, we have stocks and Bitcoin up at the top. We want to be on stocks. And searching for dividend stocks is a brand new feature they've just implemented. It's kind of cool because I made videos in the past like suggesting features that I would like to see them implement, and they're doing them one after another. They just keep making the features that I suggested, so it's pretty dope. They probably have never seen my videos, but it's good to know that I'm still on point, you know. So what we want to do is tap the search icon in the top right corner. This is one of the first features that I suggested, is they should be able to group all the stocks into categories. So, you know, if you want to look up like a gaming company, you could tap on sports and gaming. Now they've also added subcategories in performances. So if I'm on sports and gaming and I only want to view like video game companies, I can do that and apply it. So let's go back here. What we want to do is search for stocks that only give dividends. So we want to turn on some filters in this section right here, and we want to go to advanced, and then we want to check dividend yielding. So this is companies who have paid a dividend within the last 180 days. Dividends are a small distribution from a company's earnings to its shareholders. So let's tap apply there. Then this is going to show us every stock on Cash App that you can invest in that pays you dividends. If you guys want to see how the actual dividends are paid and how some of these other features that I mentioned for Cash App work, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. I've covered all of it. So we can scroll through here, see every stock that pays dividends. Let's just tap on one of them like Nike, see if they give us any more information here. So you can read the about section, information on the company, the value, stuff like that, but it doesn't give the dividend details. However, this is a stock that pays dividends. So it looks like you would still need to go into a web browser and search that information, see like when will Nike pay out dividends and how much per share and that type of thing. But they have added the ability to find all stocks that do pay dividends, so that's nice. So if you're wondering about a stock, if it does pay dividends, you could find it on here. Like let's say Snapchat. We want to find out if Snapchat pays dividends. We can come to the search screen, tap advanced, tap dividend yielding, tap apply, search on the top of the screen, type in Snap. You know, Snapchat is on there. This is Snap on. That's something else. So Snapchat does not pay dividends. So you can look up any stock to find out if it does pay dividends that way. But there you have it, how to research dividend yielding stocks on Cash App. They don't have every stock in the world, but they're starting to add more and more all the time. They definitely have most of the popular ones on here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might well.